Hey guys, Becki-licious here. Let's do breakfast. This apple cinnamon French toast bake is so delicious. And if you love apples and cinnamon, this is going to become your absolute favorite breakfast to make. So stick with me till the end so I can show you not only how amazing it is, but how easy it is to make. All right, our first step for this yummy breakfast dish is we need to cut up a little bit of this French bread. We want these cubed up, nice little chunks. So I'm going to cut a few of these. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. And click on that link me for some other fun stuff, all right? Got all of our bread all chopped up. We're going to throw this in this nice big bowl right here. And now we're going to get started on the apples. And I happen to be using my absolute favorite apples, which happen to be Granny Smith. I just love the tang. I love the crispiness of it. So I'm so excited for the last of these yummy Granny Smith apples cut up. So we're going to throw these in this big bowl along with our bread. And then comes the fun stuff. All right, we're going to put in a little bit of cornstarch. Okay. Always seems to stick. And then brown sugar. And then we're going to get this all mixed up till everything is all combined and coated, okay? Okay, so the next step for this apple cinnamon French toast bake is the wet ingredients, which is the eggs and the milk and the cinnamon and the vanilla. I did put a little bit of a heavy cream mixed in with the milk just to give it that little bit of extra richness. The one thing I absolutely love about this recipe is that you can customize it to how you need it. If you're expecting a whole bunch of people, you can make these large, huge casserole dishes. Or like in our case, I'm making a smaller version because it's just the two of us and I don't need to have a big old huge casserole dish full of, although I would eat it, that would be the problem. So there we go. So let's get the rest of this going, okay? I've got this egg, milk, and cinnamon and vanilla mixture all beat up. We're going to add this to the eggs or the bread and the apples. So we're going to get this all coated. We want all of the yumminess coated over everything because we want that to really soak into the bread. Now we're going to grab our baking dish, and like I said, I'm just doing a smaller version. So we're just going to pour this in. It's already been all greased up, and I've already got my oven on. The oven's turned on to 350 degrees, of course. So we're going to get all this yumminess put in here. Look at how well that bread just absorbs all of those yummy flavors. And there we go. So we are going to throw this in our oven for about 45 minutes. So let's get it in the oven, okay? All right, apple cinnamon French toast bake going in the oven. I have the feeling my house is going to smell amazing. I'll see you back here in a bit. All right, this apple cinnamon French toast bake has been in the oven for about 45 minutes, and it smells so good. Oh, I cannot wait to plate this up and take a bite because I know it's going to be a yummy breakfast. So let's plate it up. Cinnamon French toast bake is ready. I'm going to do a little bit of powdered sugar on it. Oh, doesn't that look so good? We're going to drizzle some maple syrup, of course, over it. Oh, look at all the yumminess. There we go. Tell me that doesn't look like the best breakfast ever. Because it smells like the best breakfast ever. Let's try it out. Oh, those yummy Granny Smith apples. They're so yummy. There you go. So look at that. We had another fun adventure in the kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves because I know that I did. And I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.